Cash is king was once a powerful statement, but in today's digital world, credit runs the kingdom. Credit affects every aspect of life today. Even if you have a great career and boatloads of cash, you will still need a good credit score. Travelers with the best credit cards get all the perks and conveniences. Insurance companies and potential employers look at your credit score to evaluate your habits and risk. Good credit can make you money, or should I say poor credit will definitely cost you lots of money. A person with poor credit will pay hundreds of dollars more monthly for a great lifestyle than someone with stellar credit. A great credit score can help you buy a house in an upscale neighborhood for about the same monthly payment that someone with poor credit would pay for less house in a less desirable area. A person with great credit can purchase a new luxury sedan for about the same monthly payment as someone with poor credit would pay for an older model used car. All those higher monthly payments on things like cars, credit cards, and houses can cost poor credit consumers over $500,000 during their lifetime. The bottom line is, poor credit is bad. It's even bad for our health. The constant stress and embarrassment of being turned down for purchases and having to pay higher interest rates cause havoc on our health. Right or wrong, people make decisions about our lives based on our credit scores. Is your credit score representing you the way you want to be represented? If not, sign up with myCredit System now and start building your dream credit score. myCredit System is a credit education system that empowers people to build stellar credit, eliminate their debt, and grow their cash flow. Get started today.
Simply get back with the person that shared this video with you and get started today.